Hey Mirza, a couple of updates on this website. So client sent his photo, his bio, and reviews in social media, which is attached in the attachment. There's reviews and the social media URLs, his photo, and in order description, there's the bio. Regarding the website, excellent update on the homepage. This is good. This is what we need. But regarding the homepage, could you please confirm that this red is the same red as Remax? Because I can see the difference between these shades. So please, if you can just make these titles and everything in the same Remax red, because it doesn't look the same when you compare it to more details and let's say here featured listings. Also on this page, please make this text in black. It will be more visible. And also there's going to be a video, bio, reviews, social media, and all of that stuff. So basically what we need is just a color change here and adding the content that client sent. That should be all. Thanks.